Eddie Wow. Don't care. If you don't like, it's okay, no problem. Bakit hindi ako makalagin doon? Ano nangyari? Why do I put here? Kakainis. So, kailangan kong ano ng files. Hi, thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And then guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hello. Thank you for dropping